So what the crap is an x and y intercept? Well, x and y intercepts, that's just where they cross the x and y axis. So like when we talk about x and y intercepts, that's where a point hits the x and the y axis. Very simple. So how do we find them? Well, that's also simple. You see, the x is going to be some type of value, but the y will be 0. And here, the y is going to be some type of value, and the x will be 0. And so that means that when I need to solve this, I just need to plug zeros in for certain variables. Let me show you. So if I write this down, 3x minus 2y equals negative 6. I can find the x and the y intercepts here very simply, right? By just doing x equaling 0. That will give me the y-intercept. And if I plug y being 0, that will give me the x-intercept. Okay? So let's do this. So if I say that x equals 0, then that means in this equation I'm going to have 3 times 0 minus 2y equaling negative 6. Well, 3 times 0, well, that's just 0. So that means I have negative 2y equals negative 6, which ends up being a big fat 3. And so that means my point would be 0, 3. You're like, where'd you get that 0? Well, I pulled it from here, right? So my point is 0, 3. But if I'm looking at doing it the other way and plugging 0 in for y, I can find the x-intercept. So 3x minus 2 times 0 equals negative 6. So that means that goes away, right? And so I have 3x equaling negative 6. Divide by 3. X equals negative 2. Okay, well that means my point is negative 2 comma 0. Okay, why does this matter? Well, it matters because I can graph lines then. I can graph this line just given these 2 points. So let me show you. So if I just make a little makeshift graph here where negative 2, 0 and 0, 3 are located, and I'll just go ahead and use a different color here. 0, 3 is right there, and negative 2, 0 is right there. Well, here's my line that connects those 2 points. And so we not only find the intercepts, but we can graph the line that goes with them too.